Hi everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. I want to show you how Planner is going to change in the future. First, I'll show you how it is currently, and then I'll show you how it looks after the change. So, in the current, which the feature is like it is now, actually, I see a new icon of Planner. Before it was like green. Now we have this shape. But here I see a message that says the new planner experience is coming soon. All of the work will still stay around, but you'll have some features and you could seamlessly move from planner in Teams and on the web. So as you see here, if I want to click on new, I can do it here. This is the old way. And go to plan, I would see here the grid, board, chart, and schedule. I had the three dots. I could choose the members, conversations, files, which is SharePoint, Notebook, unpin, copy plan, export to Excel, copy the link, and add to Outlook calendar. I would see here the members. I could open in SharePoint and I could filter, as you can see here, in group. Now I'll go how it's already the new way. So I'll go to a different tenant. I'll choose the planner. And now let's see how it looks. So first of all, I can see here I have my day, which actually shows the things relevant for this day. You see good afternoon. And it shows me all of the things that the due date is the 16th of October. I can see my tasks. Here are actually the things that I'm assigned to. And I can see my plans. Here I can see all of the plans that I am the member or owner. And I can filter by recent, shared, personal, pinned, and my teams. As you see here, I can filter by a key. So if I want this plan, I can find it. Now let's go into one of the plans I have chosen. And as you see here, it looks quite similar. Here I have a filter by key. It was not existing before. So if I look for custom, I will see here this task. And if I look for assign, you can see only this task has been found. I don't think it's possible to search within the item. Let's say I look for add. Okay, but I'm not sure add labels, so it shows only the task name. But that's an improvement. We can see here if we want to assign it to a plan and if we want to add the members. Now, if you remember, where are the settings of this plan? Once we had the settings under the three dots, yeah? Or if we would click here, and here we had general, where we had we could give a name or change the name, choose a background, groups and notifications, where we could choose how to send a mail and which notifications. Now if we look at the new experience, if we click here on the name, we only see general to change the name but not the background. So I don't know if it's missing or it's a feature. And in the group we can see if it's public or private, but we don't see here currently the notification settings. So we need to check that. So, and here we don't see the background. Now you remember in the previous one we had the dot dot dot. So we have here a drop down, but we only have some limited possibilities. We can get the plan details, copy the link to the plan, copy the plan, or export to Excel. We don't have the possibility to add to our Outlook, calendar, and to get to the SharePoint files or the notebook. So I'm not sure if this is how it's going to be. And by the way, if you remember, here the create plan was on top. Now if we look at it, we have it in the bottom. Now let's click on it, and now we see actually that we have a different way of choosing either a blank basic board or the templates that are here: simple plan, project management, software development, business plan, and employee onboarding. I noticed also if I choose on my plans, then I can create the plans also here on top. Now, if you have either Copilot or if you have project for the web, you will have, or some advancing, you will have more possibilities for more templates than what you have in the basic one. So this is the first overview of what I found. If you like it, give me some comments and let me know what you think. Thank you and goodbye.